Rachel Lewis. I'm a Skill Cymru crew apprentice and I'm trying to get into the locations department.
My name is Emily Newbold. I am part of the Skill Cymru apprenticeship and I do production and sustainability departments.
Helo, fy enw i yw Mali Whitty. Rydw i'n gweithio fel apprentice gyda'r crew. Dwi'n gweithio yn yr adran celf.
Hi, my name is Rob Cairns. I'm currently on the locations department on Igolau Idiwr, second season of Igolau, Light in the Hall. My current position, I am locations trainee upon it.
A full day really on locations. You'd start out getting breakfast for your team, yourself, any security that might be on site. And then you'd make your way to location, hand those out. Then you'd start setting up equipment, make sure there's shelter for everyone, make sure there's spaces for everyone. Familiarise yourself with the location so that if anyone asks any questions, you know exactly where to send them. Once crew start arriving, you tell them where they're going, maybe answer any questions they have, maybe where are the toilets, things like that. You're their source of information for the location, so you've got to make sure you know where everything is. Some crew will arrive earlier than others, so yeah, you'll maybe first have camera who are on pre-call, which is essentially them arriving to set up their things. And then the rest of the crew will start arriving with SAs, which are usually called extras. Show them where they're supposed to be held for the day. They'll usually be held separately just so that they can be called when they need to be. Make sure they're all sort of catered for. Then you go back to set. Again, just make sure that everything's running smoothly, make sure bins are clean. Tea table, most importantly, is set up because the industry runs on caffeine. Yeah, so you just make sure that the place is clean, tidy, and everyone knows where everything is. If someone's cold, give them a heater. But yeah, that's pretty much a day in the life of locations.
In a normal day's work, I would arrive just before call time. I would then make sure in sustainability, I would make sure that all the bins on location are all okay because breakfast would have just finished or it's just ending, making sure that the 3-bin system is clear and they're all emptied, make sure that they're all emptied in the correct bins because you've got particular dumpsters that you have to go into because you've got the anaerobic and the digestion, and then you've then got the compostable, the recycling and the normal waste, and we're trying to lower the waste as much as possible, so we don't want to do the landfill. I would then coordinate with my other team mates that we were on like a WhatsApp just to make sure we know when and where people are, and then half of us would normally go onto the filming location and check around there and make sure everything's all okay. We'd then go together and make sure we've had our breakfast, and then we'd make sure that everything is all up to date, that we can then just have a downtime and then do something called R&R, which is more research and development. And then we'd make sure that throughout the day we would do little jobs here and there to make sure, mind the pun, that we're being sustainable throughout the day. And then we'd check the bins, make sure the caterings were okay. We were doing reusable cups, so we were making sure they had enough. We would then do the dishwasher side of things to make sure that was all alright. Make sure that if we were going to donate hot food, to make sure we had enough trays and to make sure that we could communicate to those who we were donating to make sure they're expecting us and if they wanted particular stuff, therefore have the communication with the catering team, and then just reuse and recycle kind of things. We would then make sure that everything is all ready for martini, so the end of the day, and make sure that when we were finishing up for the day that everything was all either reset for the next day if we were in the same location or we were striking. And then we'd have communication with the locations team to make sure that this has been done and you were all okay, and then yeah, we'd wrap.
Mae pob dydd yn gwahanol, so dwi'n gweithio yn edrych ar y schedule a gweld os oes unrhyw newidiadau neu unrhyw beth fel yna. Os ydw i'n gweithio fel petty cash buyer, dwi'n mynd mas a prynu a neud yn siŵr bod y budget yn iawn. a wneud yn siŵr bod popeth na ar gyfer y set a'r standbys. So dwi wedi gweithio gyda'r set deck i prynu pethau a wneud yn siŵr bod popeth ar y set yn edrych yn iawn. Rydw i hefyd wedi gweithio gyda graphic designers yn gwneud cover-ups a labeli, a hefyd rydw i wedi gweithio gyda art director yn gwneud SketchUp a drafts ar gyfer sets.
Normally, my day consists of picking up food and breakfast for everybody, making sure everyone is fed, all of my department, all of the security team, getting there nice and early to set every day, usually the first there, organising and liaising with various location owners and operators, making sure all of their needs are met, making sure all of the criteria that they have put in place are going to be met and met by the various departments that we will be on the shoot. My next job would be interacting with the AD, the assistant directors and runners, and making sure that all of their scheduling is going to be adhered to. My next job on the day would be basically dealing with the needs of all the departments, whether that be if we're outdoors in a field in mid-Wales, setting up facilities so that they can be comfortable enough to do their jobs, because it can get very cold and very blustery and very wet and windy, so setting up easy up shelters, so gazebos, and providing heat for people. If there are any needs from any department, say if the electronic department need power access, I would then interact with the location owners or operators to make sure that they have access to the power and make sure that the owners and operators are comfortable with us using that. So basically being a link between owners and the crew, making sure that both needs are met. I would then get the lunch orders for all of my team or any department that would be coming on today. Say if it was traffic management, if they would be on the team today, I would account for them, go and give them orders, take their orders, put it through to the catering department, who I will have a direct link with, and message them, pre-order all the food, and then go and pick that food order up in advance to make sure that we are a presence whilst everyone else breaks for lunch. Post-lunch, ensuring that everybody is coming back to set, everyone is safe. Anything that, if a problem arises, it's our job to make sure that there's a solution to that and that we can figure out a solution for that would be best for everybody. I would then, coming towards the end of the day, make sure that everything is packed down that needs to be packed down in advance. And then at the end of the day, I would go and coordinate with the owners and operators of the location to make sure that everything was left as it was found at the beginning of the day. If there are any problems, I report to my superiors, make sure everything is in place to make sure that a solution is found for that problem or that scenario. It sounds like it's a lot, but once you get into the groove of things, it becomes a daily occurrence, and everybody, basically, I'm interacting with everybody to make sure that the shoot day goes smoothly and make sure everyone has a good experience and a comfortable time whilst on set. That's basically what I do in a day.